Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and today we're going to be installing the Custom Dynamics Tri-Bar fender tip light on our 18 Street Glide. This is going to be the same install on Road Glides, Street Glides, and Road King Specials from 14 and up. And if you're looking to do LED upgrades, if you're upgrading your turns back here and brake lights, this is a nice addition to that. It replaces the stock light, and it's nice LED, brighter light than your stock one. So let's get to work and get this on. So we need to take these plugs off right here, and then right behind on the top of the plug are two T25 screws. That's going to take our light out. The important thing here is to make sure these plugs go back in where they came from. You don't want to get these swapped around. This one has to stay over here and this one has to stay over here. So we'll unplug those, we'll take our T25s out and get this one out and get our new one back in. There is a 7/16 nut up here that if you need more room, you can pull this loose to get a little more slack on your wire, but you definitely want to put that back. For me, I'm probably just going to leave that alone. There's two little teeth right here, and there's two little slots in the back of the fender here. Just make sure you line those up and everything else should fall right in position. Pretty simple install, assuming you can crawl underneath your motorcycle and get to those two screws. It's a really slick install from Custom Dynamics. Not only does it give you a brighter running light, but also acts as a brake light that you didn't have before with your stock unit. As always, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. If you like what you see here, tell your friends, make sure you subscribe to us, and go work on those motorcycles.